guys, Steve Welch here at Beeman Toyota in Nashville. Wanted to show you guys about the second and third row seats on the new 2023 Toyota Sequoia, and how easy it is to fold them down, fold them up, and how easy it is to use this vehicle. So obviously you don't normally get this size vehicle because you're a single person driving it. Normally you have a family, so usefulness is important. Going to show you how to use that now. This one's got the bench seat. Now you did have the ability to get either the bench or the captain's chairs. Wanted to go ahead and show you, I've reclined the other side seat so you can see the difference in how far these will go between each other. To recline the seats, very easy. You just pull this button or pull this lever, and then you push this seat back and you'll be able to recline it. I can kind of do it with one hand here if I use my elbow. So now you can see person in the second row definitely could have their sleep on if they want to, very, very easily, right? So now what about folding them down? What about getting into the back? Also very easy. The same lever, pull. And what you'll notice is this pops up, right? Gives you a lot of room to get into the third row, all right? So you'll also see that you can actually slide the third row forward and back, right? I'll go ahead and I'll open the back door here so you can kind of see some things here. So kind of give you a little bit of all this all here at once. So this folded down. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. We'll pull this back. So you'll see, now depending on how you fold it down, things like that, you have these little covers that'll go over here. This is a shelf. This shelf can come up, can go to different levels. Some people will ask what that is. That's your front license plate. Those are the little dividers that you can use. So a lot of ways that you can use the back here. You've got switches in the back and switches in the front. I'll jump over here for you. So like I said, I wanted to show you, you can slide these just by moving these right here. You can slide them pretty far. I'm going to fold it first. So if I push this, you can see how I'm folding that seat down. It'll come all the way down, and then you push it the opposite way, right? And you can go all the way up. Now I will mention too that these seats also recline in the back. That recline button is actually right here. So the person sitting in the seat can control their recline. Just push it, you can definitely get that recline back, or you can come a little bit further up and kind of figure out where you want to sit, of course. Very, very easy. By the way, the opposite side does tilt as well. If you want to, you can pull that down, have it like that. So depending on what you're doing, you can definitely adjust the vehicle for what you want to do. You can also see over here, you can recline it, fold it down, wherever you want to do right here. And you'll bring this all the way down. Fold them both at the same time if you want to, not a big deal on that. The opposite side you have over here for the recline. USB in that little cubby right there. Back sunshades on the seats too, so definitely point all that out. You can see now this little shelf will come up. So if you want to, take this shelf out and you could put the shelf at a different level. And if you do it with more than just one hand, it works a little bit easier. So I'll put this shelf right here. And there we go. So you can kind of get an idea on how that shelf will look. I'll pick everything up here, and now you can see how this will fold over and can go back, you know, and help you if you needed to put something in the back for a particular level, something like that. Of course, you have your little Sequoia pad that's down here. Now this is a hybrid, of course, so all of the Sequoias are hybrids. iForce Max, right? So that is a very cool thing to know too. I'm going to drop this little shelf out the back here because I wanted to show you this. So if you're pulling this, you can adjust where that seat is from the front or from the back. Very easy to change. It'll lock in several different spots. Just, very easy to move that. It's not a big deal. To move anything there. So let's go to the next level here. Trying to be a little quick, a little less long-winded. Thanks, guys. So you have this one right here. Fold this down too. You'll see the opposite side works as well. So both of these can turn up at the same time, fold down, whatever you need them to do. Obviously you can come back here and push that back up, and you'll see this side also has the little handle. So if you want to move it, grab this and you can move that as well and change where your seating position is. Pretty easy to get in, pretty easy to get out. Full disclosure, hey, I'm right there. Full disclosure, don't know that I'd want to ride in the third row, but I will tell you it's definitely better than some vehicles at getting in and out of the third row for the Toyota Sequoia. So beautiful, beautiful truck. They drive great, just like the Tundra. Obviously you guys know I have a Tundra, so they drive really great, just like the Tundra. Feels nice. All kinds of power in this truck. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota in beautiful Nashville, and showing you your seats, how to fold them, how to move them. I think I got it all, so other than the fronts, but that's a different story. So Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, you guys have a great day. Bye.